Hey, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I cut my brace mortises, but I am doing it for a collar today. It's the same exact mortise though. So I'll show you how I do it. I've got it laid out here on my beam, you can see. I'm going to cut the mortise here. I've drawn this center line here so that when I place my drill bit I can do it really fast. And then you can see I'm going to take this shoulder out right there with my chisel, and then I'm going to take off this corner here as well. That's just so that it doesn't hit the edge of the brace because it's at an angle. Well, there you go.
go.
Finished collar mortise. Same exact mortise as a brace mortise. Okay, now I'm going to get out my next one and got my next collar mortise. I'll come let you have a look at it. There it is. Still got a few little scraps there at the bottom, but these will dump out. Well, thanks for watching.